Hi, my name is Pashchima Garg and I'm a student of PGDM Media and Entertainment batch at V School. So I joined this program because I've done my graduation in BBA LLB and because my parents wanted me to do law and I did that. But in my second and third year, I realized that this is not what I wanted to do and I want to do an MBA. So while I was looking for MBA colleges and courses, I came across this V School program and PGDM Media and Entertainment. So I looked upon its curriculum and found it quite intriguing and interesting. I signed up for this course and I ended up in Wellington. To be honest, when I was a bit skeptical before joining this course because I don't know. I thought that maybe what if I didn't got interest in this media and entertainment. But then one thing was very sure that I didn't want to do MBA, the plain MBA, and just in other ordinary course. I wanted to do something different, something which has that creative side, something which is different from other plain courses. The subjects here are really nice and really interesting. You have like content management, you have celebrity management. Apart from the regular subjects, what was the most interesting part was that the media and entertainment program offers you very unique electives like brand management, you have sports management, you have lifestyle management, then there's media analytics, you can choose celebrity management. So it's a wide space open for everything, and it's most people have this myth about that media is just related to news media, or maybe just films, promotions and advertising, but it is just the tip of iceberg. There's a lot to this industry has a lot to offer you, and there is a scope in each and every place, uh, right from celebrity management to the content creation to the productions house to the social media marketing. It's like it's everything is related to media only, because ultimately even if you go in a big brand, you have to do the advertising, you have to deal with the media, because without media there is nothing there in this whole thing. This world runs on media today. So after a few months, when we were supposed to do our summer internship, I got an amazing opportunity to intern with NS Studios. NS Studios is India's largest film distribution house, which has the library of more than 2,500 plus movies, including epic and iconic movies like Sholay, Sita and Geeta, All the Best, and many more movies. How this thing works is they purchase a movie from the directors and the production houses, then they sell their rights to different mediums like satellite owners, yeah, OTT platforms. Then there's international rights. So it's a whole bunch of thing. It gave me an opportunity to learn how a movie comes from a production house to your phones, your laptops, and when you're seeing it on a movie. So the business and the analytics goes behind this is also huge. We personally got an hands-on experience to how to promote a movie, how a movie is promoted, what goes behind it, like giving promotion ads on radio, how to deal with that, how to do social media marketing, how to do meme marketing, how to get influencers on board to promote your movie. All these things I got a really nice experience. You have to schedule an interview with your cast and with the radio team. So these are the just few examples which I got to learn from my internship, and it gave me an amazing opportunity. And I cannot thank Wellington enough to give me that opportunity. And now I'm placed at V Phoenix at Customer Success Specialist profile, and I'm really happy about it. Thank you.